Hey, what's up, guys? This is Amin, and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Make Money with Amin. Today, I want to talk about very easy job for the data entry lover who is really want to get the easy job. Most of the people asking me, please share some tips and tricks where I can get a very easy job for our daily life. So that's why I'm just sharing this video. After watching this video, you can easily get some very really so very easy job for your daily life, and you can earn money from there. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to go here the Fiverr marketplace, and I want to type here the PDF to PDF to Excel or PDF to Word. So this is very easy job for work from home. You can do work from home. So easily do, because this is very easy job. I think you know about the process how to convert PDF to Word. Okay, so first of all, I want to check how many people selling these kinds of service here, convert PDF to Word. And obviously this tutorial for the data entry series, basically I will start some other series like WordPress website design development, SEO, complete digital marketing, but I want to complete this series because the data entry tutorial I have started long days ago, but cannot finished. But right now I want to give you some videos, and I want to end this series. Okay, so this video for data entry lover. Okay, so who is really want to earn easy? Okay, so here is the result, and nearly 36,000 people selling these kinds of service like PDF to Excel or PDF to Word. So if you want to earn money from this very easy job, so you just create profile on Fiverr. And if you want how to create Fiverr profile, please comment below. Definitely I will make a video step by step for you. And please see here, most of the people selling these kinds of service, like I will convert PDF to Word, Google Docs, PowerPoint, typing jobs, etc. So I'll convert screenshot PDF to Word. So this is very easy job, I think. So there are a lot of people selling their service. So if you want, you can easily do these kinds of selling these kinds of service. Okay, so I want to go, or I want to jump another marketplace like Upwork, and I have already searched the same keywords like PDF to Word, and now I want to check here how many people, how many jobs available here. So there are a lot of jobs for these kinds of work, like PDF to Word or convert PDF to Word doc, and this project price is $50. So this is good, I think. And I want to open this job, and here is the short brief for this job description. So if you want to earn money from the Upwork using these kinds of skills, definitely please comment below. Definitely I will make some tutorial, or I will make a tutorial for how can you create your data entry profile on Upwork and how can you start selling. Okay, so there are a lot of job available, so if you want, you can easily do it. So I want to jump another marketplace like PeoplePerHour. So PeoplePerHour, here is a lot of people selling these kinds of service like PDF to Word or PDF to Excel, any kinds of PDF conversion or editing up to 15 pages. And this seller selling lot of service here, and already got lot of reviews. So it's proven that if you want, you can easily sell your very easy job PDF to Excel or PDF to Word. So this is very easy. Also, I want to give you extra tips, like sometimes you want to convert or type your PDF to Word. That is very hard for the long time. Okay, so you can help with the online, like here is the PDF or JPG file. Sometimes client will give you these kinds of PDF or JPG file, and then he want to get to convert in Word, so Microsoft Word. So just open your Microsoft Word and then just type to PDF or JPG to your Word. So this is one process to write manually, but if you want, you can help with online, do it online. So just go here, and so sometimes just this is the mistake. So Word, just go here, go to online and search PDF to Word converter, and then hit enter, and you will find these kinds of website. So if you want, you can use these kinds of website for the easy process, but sometimes you cannot get proper data, but you can try for the clear image or clear PDF file, and definitely you can easily convert from your PDF to Word. So I think this tutorial is very helpful for you who is really want to earn easy money from the typing, or like a PDF to Word or PDF to Excel. And this tutorial for data entry lovers, and who is really want to earn money from the data entry work. So subscribe my channel for the next video about data entry or other skill like digital marketing, and definitely I will start SEO for start to end. And thank you so much for watching, and tata, bye bye.